Hello everybody, how you all doing? Before I start to tell you what I'm cooking today or what I'm preparing today, I just want to say a very big thank you to everybody who has come here today to grace this video, everybody who has come here today to watch me. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much to all my viewers. Thank you for your support. I say may God richly bless you all. Thank you, guys. So today, come with me. Let me show you what I'm doing today, what I'm cooking today. It's a very healthy souffle pancake with just one egg to make it yummy. Come with me again and let's go cooking. Thank you, guys, and watch out. Thank you. Here are the ingredients for the souffle pancake. Here is my egg. I got my eggs, healthy eggs. To do the souffle, yes, this one I'm gonna be using to whisk it. You can use your machine if you want. I got machine as well. Sometimes I feel lazy. This one is more handy to whisk. Yes, my 2 bowl to separate my egg. And here I will separate the white egg here. This one we go for the yolk and the mixture and the flour, yeah. Because I don't have I'm going to use vinegar. You can use lemon juice. I'm going to use vanilla essence. This is vanilla essence. That is my cooking oil. That is my baking powder. That is my flour. That's my flour. And that is my icing sugar to dice on top after the cooking. That is my fresh milk. I'll be using milk. So that's my wooden stick, my wooden spoon. You know, so everything is set now, guys. Everything is set for this souffle pancake. It can be your breakfast, you know. But I start my souffle pancake. This is the egg, so you need to be separated. The white gonna go in there. So the yolk gonna go in there. Okay. The white gonna go in there. So that is the yolk. So I'm gonna put in my vanilla. The vanilla essence will go in there. Then my milk will go in there. Sieve in my flour. My flour, my salt. Now I'm gonna be doing the white egg. I'm gonna tip in my little vinegar syrup in there. You can use lemon juice, okay? Because I haven't got lemon juice, so I'm using this one. Then I'm gonna put in my sugar to give you your meringue. The meringue is what you're gonna incorporate together with the flour you've already mixed, okay, guys? So I mixed the white egg in there. White egg will go in there. Then I mix all together, fold all together, okay? It's all set to be fried now, guys. So guys, I'm starting to do my souffle pancake, okay? This is how we do it. You just rub the oil in your fry pan, okay? Then put in the souffle. So the souffle is cooking now on a low heat, okay, guys? On a very low heat. Putting water, frying with oil, putting water, that will make it go fluffy, okay? This one is on here. So I'm gonna put in some water. I'm gonna cover it to give it that fluffy, smoothie souffle pancake. Okay, guys? This is how it's gonna be cooked. Can you see it? Flop it to the other side. Can you see? Cover it. Get to be cooked that way. So this one is ready now. Look at it. Can you see it? It's all set to be served. Look at my souffle pancake. The souffle pancake is ready, so it's gonna be served with that. Okay, guys, it's gonna be served with that. Can you see it? That's what I'm gonna be served with. That is ready. Look at it. Yummy. That is yummy. Yummy, yummy. Let's have it. That is yummy, guys. Oh my God, look how beautiful it is, how fluffy. This is yummy. You can have this anytime, any day, guys. Anytime, any day. Look at it. Fluffy, yummy souffle pancake. Very yummy to be served to your family, to your friends. You know, you can eat it anytime. You can have it as your breakfast. You can have it as your pudding where you put some yogurt by the side. So this one is ready now. Look at it. Can you see it? It's all set to be served. Look at my souffle pancake. Hi guys, so thank you for watching, and thank you so much for your support. Thank you all you that have come to watch this video today and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for your lovely comments. I hope you've learned today. I hope this have like inspired you. My cooking has inspired you. You've learned a lot today, you know, concerning this my souffle pancake today. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you all for your time schedule for coming out today. Thank you so much. I say God bless you, and thank you, and keep safe, and one love. Bye. Ciao, ciao. Bye bye. Thank you once again.